2025, the year when the legend of American horsepower roars back to life. Louder, prouder, and more unstoppable than ever before. Standing tall against the horizon, the Big Bud tractor makes its return, not just as a machine, but as a living symbol of raw power, mechanical dominance, and unmatched endurance. When the name Big Bud is mentioned, it's not just another tractor we're talking about. It's a piece of history that has plowed its way into the soul of every true farmer, every industrial enthusiast, and every admirer of American-built strength. The Big Bud is Colossal, an engineering giant born from Montana soil, designed for one purpose only: to move the earth with authority. As you walk up to it, its massive tires tower above you like the walls of a fortress. Each tread looks ready to crush through mud, stone, or field with equal ease. This isn't just a tractor, it's a land dominator. Standing over 14 feet tall and weighing nearly 100,000 pounds when fully equipped, the Big Bud doesn't care about limits. It creates its own path. The 2025 revival version of the Big Bud carries forward that heritage, blending the traditional brute strength with modern mechanical intelligence. The sound of the engine alone is an experience, a deep, earth-shaking growl that rumbles through the ground like thunder over open plains. Powering this beast is a modernized diesel heart that pushes the boundaries of torque and endurance. It's been re-engineered for today's farming landscapes, but the soul remains pure and untamed. As the engine fires up, you feel it in your chest. That deep mechanical pulse is more than sound. It's emotion, history, and power fused into one moment. The cabin, surprisingly, tells a different story, one of comfort and control. Inside, everything has been refined for the modern operator. Large panoramic glass panels provide full visibility of the terrain, while the seat is wrapped in high-grade material built to handle endless hours in the field. Advanced digital controls replace the old analog setup, giving the operator complete command over the machine's hydraulics, traction, and torque balance with precision. In this new age, Big Bud isn't just about pulling capacity. It's about intelligent farming. The tractor integrates advanced GPS guidance, auto steering, and performance analytics that adapt to real-time field conditions. The onboard display provides updates on soil pressure, tire grip, and even fuel efficiency. But make no mistake, even with all the digital advancements, the Big Bud has lost none of its old-school muscle. It's still a mechanical powerhouse at heart, capable of pulling multi-ton implements across wide, unforgiving farmlands. As the machine rolls forward, you can see the depth of its engineering. Every joint, every plate, every bolt has been overbuilt for strength. The chassis looks like it could withstand a lifetime of punishment. Its 16-cylinder engine doesn't just run, it dominates. The rumble feels alive, like the ground itself is moving with the machine. Whether it's cutting through heavy clay soil or flattening rough ground, the Big Bud delivers flawless consistency. The 2025's 45 design update also adds subtle touches of modern luxury. LED lighting outlines the tractor's body, giving it a futuristic presence during nighttime operations. The massive front grille gleams with a metallic finish, while new ventilation systems ensure smoother airflow and better cooling for extended work sessions. Even the hydraulic systems have been upgraded. Faster, stronger, more responsive. Farmers who once drove the original Big Buds from the 1970s and 1980s would recognize the DNA immediately. The same brute strength, the same intimidating stance, but now refined into a precision tool. Big Bud remains the giant that other tractors look up to, not because of technology alone, but because of the legacy it carries. When you stand next to the Big Bud, it's hard not to feel small. Not in a humbling way, but in awe. You realize this machine isn't built just to perform tasks. It's built to make statements. It's the kind of tractor that turns heads at a distance, makes children point in amazement, and brings a sense of pride to anyone who operates it. It's mechanical art on an industrial scale. Driving the Big Bud is an experience unlike any other. The cabin isolates the operator from harsh noise, but not from the sensation of power. The seat vibrates slightly with the pulse of the massive engine, reminding you that beneath the floor, thousands of pounds of metal are working together in perfect harmony. Every lever movement feels solid, confident, and deliberate. The tractor responds instantly,